Have you ever wondered why we call it coleslaw? The answer is surprisingly simple, the Dutch word for cabbage salad. Let's break down this classic side dish. Coleslaw gets its name from the Dutch term coleslaw, which literally translates to cabbage salad. It is a side dish primarily consisting of finely shredded raw cabbage mixed with a dressing. While the base is always cabbage, the classic dressings are either vinaigrette or mayonnaise. Some regions prefer lemon juice for a tangier flavor, but those two remain the standard. You might be surprised to find ingredients like fennel, pickles, raisins, or poppy seeds in the mix. However, despite these additions, cabbage remains the absolute essential ingredient. In contrast, if you see a salad with thinly sliced, crunchy vegetables like carrots or celery but no cabbage, that is simply called slaw. Coleslaw specifically requires the shredded, leafy green. This distinction matters because coleslaw is the specific term used on restaurant menus, especially alongside barbecue, seafood, or fried foods to signal a fresh, crunchy contrast. So next time you order it, remember whether it has apples, carrots, or cheese. If it features shredded cabbage with a dressing, it is definitively just a cabbage salad. Now you know the real origin of this favorite side dish. What are your favorite toppings for coleslaw? Let us know in the comments below.